Okay, so today we're going to learn how to wrap the edge of the leather. We're going to use a blind hem foot. You can use many type of stitches. I use the zigzag. Basically, you can use any of the types of stitches where the needle swings from right to left. So the trick is that when the needle swings to the right, you will let it drop off the edge. And when the needle swings to the left, it will sink into the leather. And we're going to be using a thread size 69, also known as Tex 70, a Schmetz leather needle size 18, and a granny wheel, hand wheel upgrade.